Welcome to the PowerPoint 2016 module on using notes inside of your presentation. Now usually when we think about PowerPoint, we think about creating slides and then running a presentation. But there's also a section in PowerPoint which allows us to put notes that only we can see. So as a presenter, when you are presenting your presentation, if you're using something called Presenter View, you'd be able to glance at your laptop or device and be able to see notes relating to your presentation. This helps when you need a little bit of a memory boost on what information comes next. The other nice thing about putting notes inside of your presentation is when going through it, you can clearly see what message needs to flow on what slide, number one, and number two, you can also print notes handouts which allow you to take the slide notes home to look over maybe the day before the presentation. So the first thing you need to do is make sure your view is set up so you can clearly see your notes inside the presentation. So when you click on a slide, you've got the main area here, and then at the bottom you've got a notes section. Now if you can't see that, it's probably set very low. So all you need to do is drag it up, and from here you can insert notes. Don't worry about the formatting of these notes or what they look like, because the only person that sees them is you. Once you've inserted notes into all parts of your presentation, so over here what we will do is put a welcome, and you can put whatever information you want in there to remember to introduce the CEO. Once we've done that, when you go to your view slide and you'd like to print out your notes, you will notice you can click on the Notes Master view slide, and from here it'll show you the slide that gets printed as well as any notes, which is really nice to print and go through just before the presentation. You can insert notes onto all your slides, which will then print onto your Notes Master for you to look over.